Hi, this is Lakshmi Kantiwari. So now in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can implement on-chart gesture listener and on-chart value selected listener. This is going to be a final tutorial on a simple line chart. So first of all that we need to extend our main activity. We need to implement our on gesture listener and value selected listener implements, right? I think something is wrong here. It's implements, and I'm gonna implement here on chart gesture listener and on chart value selected listener, right? So yeah, this error will go, don't worry about that. So once we override the functions, implement override functions, that will automatically go from here. Now let's now what we can do, we can override here. It's a very simple, don't worry about that, right? So we can press a Control and O, and then we can select almost let me show you. These are the override functions which are available for us, but what we can do, we can search here on chart, right? See here. Now these are the override functions which are available. So let's copy all these functions. Okay, you can shift and navigate to the down and click on OK. See here, everything has been the copy and the pasted here. So for on chart gesture start, so this shows the motion event me, and here this shows chart listener, okay, the chart gestures and last performed gestures. Okay, so for this one we can get here x and the y axis. So for that, let's log I it. Okay, so the first of all that, let's show the x is equal to me dot get x, right? And let's get y here, that would be me dot get y. Okay, and for the next one on chart gesture end, we can see here a log I on chart gesture end, that would be a last performed gesture. Okay, on chart long pressed, you can see here a log I on chart long pressed. Okay, so here you can also say log I on chart double tapped. Here you can also say log I on chart single tapped, right? So on chart fling, let's implement on chart fling. So we can say here log I on chart fling, velocity of x, that could be the extracted from velocity of x, and then velocity of y equal to velocity of y, right? And then we want on chart scale, right? So in on chart scale, you can say I scale x, right? I scale x is a scale x, and then again you can say I scale y, I scale y. Okay, now on chart translate, on chart translate, suppose that you are moving, it would change its the differential x dx positions and dy position, right? Oops, so let's print it to the dx, and then again, oops, that must be the y, and dy. So on value selected, let's make on value selected. entry E and highlight H. So on value selected, we can do a lot of things here, such as log I, and then we can see here plus E dot to string, right? That's our entry. Okay, and nothing selected, we can say here log I, nothing selected. I think now everything is fine here. Now let's run it and we will monitor it into Android monitor. So here you can see nothing is coming. Now just wait for the few seconds. Nothing is coming. Now it must start here. Increasing code cache capacity to 256 KB. Okay. I think what we can do, we can restart it from here. Suppose that if you are not getting a log cache, you can simply restart it from here, and can press it to the info, and then can see to the verbose. I think I have not enabled something. I must have made mistake somewhere. Yeah, this was the problem. Yes, I have to enable set on chart gesture listener and set on chart value selected listener, right? So let's run this application again on my mobile. Then I can see here in Android monitor. See here. So I just touched my mobile on chart gesture listener X and the Y. Here the entry, right? And I did a drag. Now I am going to the double tap it. I am going to do double tap. X, Y, it has detected here. See, a double tap, right? Now I am going to do a single tap here. See here, a single tap, right? I am going to drag it. Let's see here. So it was a drag, right? I am going to select a value, right? So here the Y was 70 value, right? I am going to set, let's say, around 50. Okay, so here Y is a 50. See, I am dragging here. If you see here, so it's coming, drag, right? I have just stopped. It was a fling type. Okay, again it was a fling, and it was a now drag, a double tap, right? So now you can perform a lot of things just by dragging on your chart, etc., and you can perform according to that. If you want to perform any methods or services in your mobile. So this is end of simple line chart. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and stay tuned for the next one. In the next tutorial I am going to show you how you can draw bar graph. You can subscribe this channel also, I would not mind. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Have a nice day.